Hello guys, it's Tiny Tanks here, and today we will be doing questions 11 to 20 of the 2018 Junior Mathematical Challenge. And for question 11, it asks how many digits are there in the correct answer to the calculation 123 123 123 divided by 123. If you didn't know, usually 1001 is for example, let's try this out first. So 1001 is very important in this. So basically, I hope you all know that 123 times 1,000 equals 123,000. And if you add this 1, so you add another 1 to 3, it becomes plus 1 2 3 becomes 3 2 1 3 2 1. So 1001 makes the number makes the number repeat itself. So for example, let's try because 11001 is 1 2 3 1 2 3, so 2. So we need exactly 2 more for the thing to work. So 1001 001 001. 2 more. Yes, that's correct. Times 123 equals 123 123 123 123. So the answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digits. So the answer to question 11 is D. For question 12, the diagram, it says that the diagram shows that shows this quadrilateral, and it asks for us for PQR, so it's this angle that I'm drawing over. So PQR, that's the angle. So PR bisects that, the ratio SPR. So that's 2 to 3. Let's say that's 2, 2. This doesn't mean that it is 2, but it means it's 2 units, or whatever you call that. So 2, and PRS is, so that's 3. Oh, why did those lines come up? So that's 3. So what we can know now is that 100, and what we can do now is 100 and, why is these lines? 180, another one. And 180 minus 110 equals 70, equals to, which also equals to 5 units. So 70 divided by 5 equals to 14, actually. 14. Yes, that's correct. So 1 unit is 14, and PR bisects SPQ. So that means and we can now replace this with we can now replace P and SPR and PRS into actual angles. So we can know that the angle of SPR is 2 units. So this is 1 unit. So the angle is actually the angle is so 2 times 14 equals 28. So that's 28 here. And also 3 times 14 equals 42. So that's 42 degrees. Same as that. So 42 plus 28 equals 60. 70 plus 110 equals, 180. So we know that that's correct now. And we also know that this is 28 degrees because it bisects the angle. So bisect means like it splits it in half. So it splits like SPQ in half. So if that's 28, the other one needs to be 28 too. And also, sorry for writing over the lines, but you can see that PQR is an equilateral. Is an like isosceles triangle. So the answer. So we know that. Wait, that's 28. So RPQ equals to PRQ, which equals to 28. So 2 times 28 equals 56, and 180 minus 56 equals to 124 degrees, which is A. So that's our answer for question 12. For question 13, what is it says that there are these cubes. So it asks for the surface area, and it might seem hard, but you need to notice that because it's connected by edges, the surface area still doesn't change so it's still the same as 4 separate cubes. So because it's 3 times 3 times 3, so it's 3 times 3 equals 9 cm squared, which is one face, and 9 times 6 equals 54, and 54 times 4 equals to 4 for 16, 206. So the answer to question 13 is D, which is 216. For this question, what you could do, which is, it's fine actually to do trial and error. So let's try that first. So Billy has 3 times as many llamas as lambs. So, or you could do algebra. So 3 times as many llamas as lambs. So let's just write that down. 3L and 1LA. So LL stands for llama, the 2 L's. And that's Billy. Millie, is many lambs as llamas. So that's 1A and 1LA, 1LA and 2LL. So note that it isn't this this 1 and 3 isn't right. It's just kind of like, let's write it this way. Not the dots over there. So that's B. And yeah, so it's like units again, like our previous question. And also note that these aren't the same. So like what I'm trying to say is that these, like 1L in Billy's whatever it's called in Billy things isn't the same as 1L in Millie's things, because they both have different amounts. Maybe the same, but we don't know that. So yes. And also we can do for example, let's say what we can do now is they have 17 animals in total. So that's 4 units in total, and that's like 3 units. So you know that you have to split 17 into a number that is like that. So for example, for Billy's numbers, you have to split it into something that is a multiple of 4. And for Millie's things, you have to split it into something that is let's say is a multiple of 3. Yes, because it's 3 units. So what we can do now is that let's say 4, 8. Let's say for 4 numbers, you could do 4, 8, 12, and also 16. And for 3 units, we could do 3, 6, 9, and then it's 12, 15, and 8. 18 is not possible. So we need to look at 2 numbers that add up to 17. So let's start looking. So 8 and 9 is what appears to me, like what I think is the only solution. So 8 is 4. 4's multiple. So 8 and 9. Let's try that. That adds up to, how many animals are llamas? So 9 is 3 units. So 1 unit is 3. So that's llamas. So twice as many lambs as llamas. Oh, sorry, I got it incorrect. Sorry. But it doesn't really matter because at the end it matters. So wait, let me change that to eraser size or it'll be a bit chaotic. Yeah, there we go. So that's 1 llama. So 1 here is 3. So, and 8 units is 4. So 1 unit is 2. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the answer for question 14 is E, which is 9. For question 15, it says, for question 15, it says that L, it asks you basically how many L's it can place. So basically, what we can do here is, so the first step is 4 times 4 equals 16. So there are 16 grids. In this shape, and 16 divided by 3 equals to 5 and 1 left. So the most possible is 5 according to calculating, but you have to try it out because sometimes, for example, let me give you an example. So, damn it, that's not good. Let's say, wait, let me think of something. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and you need to place these same shapes in. But for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Yes, for example, you need to place that. You can only place 2, in fact. So just know that just calculating is not enough. And 3 is the maximum. So you need to do another step, which is actually trying it, constructing it. So let's try that. 5, that's 1 space, so that's that, and these 5 are this. So yes, that is possible. So the answer is D, which is 5. For our 16th question, we need it's 869 is a multiple of 15. So let's say 15. Let's say I can't make up my mind now. 869. So 1. Let's try 1 at the first. So 186Q. Oh, and before we do that, if it's divisible by 3, you need to do all the digits add up to a multiple of 3. So let's try this out. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 6 equals 4, so that is divisible. So 12, for example, that's 1 and 2, so that adds up to 3. And for example, the next one, let's just make a random one. 72, that adds up to 9. So that's how it works. And divisible by 5, that means end digit 1 or 0. So for 15, we need it to be divisible by both of them. So yes, it should be divisible by 15, and so Q can only be 5 or 0, and let's try Q as 5 first. So Q equals 5 if Q equals 5. So 8695. 8695, and that's let's say, so that adds up to 14, 20, and 28. So we need something that's divisible by 28. So we need to try out things that are smaller than 10 for this digit that work. Wait, sorry, my pen wasn't working. That add up to 31. So basically, let's say 27, and then it's 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. Yeah, that'll be all we need. And also 27, 28. So 30 is possible, so 2. 33 is possible, so that's 5. 5, sorry. And 36, that would be 8. 39, that wouldn't be possible because that would be 11. So only 3 for 5 at the end. For 0 at the end, 8, 6, 9, that would be 15, 23. So 21, 20. So 24, 27, 20, 30, 33, 36. And so that could be 1, 4, 7, I think. Yes, 7 would work, 30. And 33 won't work because that would be 10. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the answer to question 16 is E. For question 18, for question 18, it says two 5-digit number integers m and n contain all 10 digits from 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 would be 0 to 9, two 5-digit integers. For this one, you need one to be like the biggest, and also you need the other one to be the smallest. So the smallest minus the biggest. But the first digit needs to be like one bigger than the other. So for example, let's say, because we need like two 5-digit numbers, so we need 0. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need 2 middle numbers, which is perfect because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, and 5. So these are the starts of our. So the plan is, never mind, let's just do it. So 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's the first 5-digit number. 4, 9, 8, 7, 6. That makes it like the largest possible. So minus that. So the way I do these is 124 is this, plus 123 equals to 247, which is our answer. B. For this one, I don't really have that much tips because it's kind of just visualizing things, and also you just need to try figure it out. And I'll give you a tip. So for example, let's say so for the triangles, you have to do that. So you have to make it like add up to like that, like two triangles that fit together. But for example, for question A, it wouldn't work because it would fit together into something like this. Right, let's say. Yeah, and then that's that. Yeah, so for question A, I'm doing like that bit, if you can understand. And so that's like, those are the three walls. I'm bad at drawing, and so yes. So I'll just tell you the answers. The answer for this one. So the answer is C, because like that makes into a full. So if you rotate that, it makes it into a full circle. And so C would be the correct answer for us for question 19. For our last question, for these kind of questions, you need to think of the most unlucky situation. So, but also like very cleverly. So, let's say that drawer, and what we need to do to make sure is that we choose one from the red, one from the other, and one from red. Sorry, where did I get red from? One from yellow, one from blue, and one from pink. And you need another one, so one from yellow, one from blue, and one from pink. So that would be ideal. That would be the answer for us, because that would be like the most number of things we need to do. So, and also it's kind of like the least that is the most, if you can understand. So so the answer to question 20 is B, which is 6.